Glad you could join me today. Today I'll be going over OCR specification reference 5.1.5G, which is the organisation of the human nervous system. And this is what you should know. Communication systems must detect changes in environments, allow cell signalling between all parts of the body, and coordinate a range of effectors to carry out appropriate responses. Nervous system includes the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which consists of the sensory neurons which carry nerve impulses from the receptors to the central nervous system, and motor neurons which carry nerve impulses away from the central nervous system to the effectors. Nerves enter and leave via gaps between the vertebrae. The peripheral nervous system can then be further divided to the somatic nervous system, which is under voluntary or conscious control. This carries impulses from the central nervous system to the skeletal muscles. It contains myelinated neurons causing a rapid response, also known as salutary conduction. Only one neuron connects to an effector, and the neurotransmitter is acetylchloride. The other part of the peripheral nervous system is the autonomic nervous system. This is under involuntary control. It carries impulses from the central nervous system to cardiac muscle, smooth muscle in the guts and the glands. That's it. It is the system which controls most homeostatic mechanisms. Most neurons are not myelinated, as a rapid response is not needed. At least two neurons connect to effectors. Several neurons connect at a ganglion. This is a region where synapses are. The parasympathetic nervous system, or the parasympathetic response. Few nerves leaving the central nervous system which divide and lead to different effectors. The neurons link to ganglions in the effector tissue. Preganglionic neurons are long and postganglionic neurons are short. Acetylchloride is the neurotransmitter. This decreases activity and conserves energy. It is most effective at times of sleep and digestion, so this is also known as the rest and digest. Effectors decrease heart rate, which then decreased ventilation rate, which then increases digestive activity. The pupils will constrict, and you could be sexually aroused. So, you didn't know that. The sympathetic part consists of many nerves leaving the central nervous system to a separate effector. The ganglion are just outside the central nervous system. Preganglionic neurons are very short. Postganglionic neurons are very long. The neurotransmitter is noradrenaline. This increases activity, preparing the body for action. This is active in times of stress. This is the fight or flight response. The effects of the sympathetic nervous system. It increases your heart rate. It increases your ventilation rate. Your pupils will dilate. It reduces digestive activity. And it's also there for orgasm. And that is all you need to know about the organisation of the human nervous system.